Hi everybody, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2020 Toyota Camry. Today's model comes in a black exterior with a black interior. And come around to the back here. See our Toyota Camry SE badging. And let's take a quick look inside the trunk. Plenty of storage space back here, and some new all-weather mats as well for you. Take a look at our rear seats. And a quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. Now looking at the driver's side, we have our driver's side door controls here. Driver's seat controls. Driver's seat. Steering wheel. Let's go ahead and hop inside. We do have a turnkey ignition. Mileage on this vehicle is currently at 68,713. You can see our touch screen here. You can control the radio, navigation system, which isn't currently installed but easily can be, backup camera. Below that is climate control, shifter, cup holders, and center console storage. Now, if you're interested in seeing any photos or getting any additional information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.